Here at Mini Split Warehouse, we offer systems like this extreme heat pump. This unit is 25.7 SEER, 230 volts, rated to -22 degrees. Select options like the copper lines and wires, outdoor mounting options, shipping options like a terminal pickup or a liftgate. Each package includes one wall mount with remote and one heat pump condenser. Features like intelligent eye sensor, humidity control, freeze protection, and leak sensor. Factory warranty and online registration. See the on-page description for specifications. Optional accessories at the bottom of the page.